Good morning, kids. I'm Mohana Ravi, your computer teacher. Today we are all going to learn a new lesson. Before that, I hope you all are well and fine, safe at home. Okay, we are going to learn a new lesson: mouse as an input device. Okay, mouse as an input device. So this is our lesson number 5: mouse as an input device. Okay, so in earlier classes you all would have learned that is mouse and keyboard are all input devices, now what and all we can do, what are all the options are there with the mouse, and what can we do actually with the mouse, how, which way it is helpful to us, these are all we are going to learn. Mouse is an input device. When you move a mouse you can see a pointer. Okay, pointer means the arrow mark what you see here in the picture is called as a pointer. Okay, move on a screen. Okay, this is known as the mouse pointer. A mouse also helps you to do many things on a computer. It helps to play games, draw picture, listen to music and watch videos. Okay, these are all things we can do with the mouse. These are all the uses of mouse. Okay, now you can see in this picture of a mouse, it has two buttons and a scroll wheel. A long wire joins to the CPU, means joining the CPU and the mouse. Okay, you can see there are left button, right button, and in between there is a scroll wheel. Okay, so three buttons are here. Okay, there are two buttons and one scroll wheel are here. The scroll wheel is here. Okay, we will see one by one which button helps in which way. Okay, mouse action. The action performed with these buttons are the four mouse actions are left click, right click, double click and drag and drop. These are the four actions we perform with the mouse. Okay, we'll see one by one. First one is left click. Okay, pressing the left mouse button once is called left click. You can use this left click to select an icon on the screen. Okay, so any program you want to select, you will do it. Okay, only once you will click it by keeping the mouse pointer on above the icon, and you will give one click. Okay, a left click can simply be called as click. Click means only once you are pressing and releasing. Okay, just only once press, release, that is called as click. Okay, then the right click. A right click is nothing but pressing the right mouse button once is called the right click. You can use a right click to open a list of options called menu. Okay, called the menu means whenever you give a right click, a drop down menu will appear. Okay, drop down menu will appear. Usually this drop down menu will contain copy, paste, open, and all. Okay, so many basic options will be there in the right click. Okay, so this is on the right side only once you are clicking, that is right click. Then the double click. Double click means to open that particular program, you will use this to open. Now to means if you are double clicking it, the program will be opened. Okay, pressing the left mouse button twice quickly is called as double click. Double click means twice you are clicking. Okay, double clicking. Okay, you can use a double click to open a file or a program. Okay, you can use this double click process to open a file or a program. Then we are going to see drag and drop. What is drag and drop? Actually, these drag and drops called as we are pulling some one particular program from one place to other place. Okay, that is called drag and drop. You can use a mouse to move an icon on the screen. For this, you need to do a drag and drop action. Means you are moving the icon from here and there. Okay, moving the mouse while keeping the left button pressed is called dragging. Means while pressing the button, you have to drag it up. Okay, so you have to drag the icon, so that is called as dragging. Okay, releasing the button to place the move icon in its new position is called dropping. Okay, dropping means to the desired place you have come, and now the place you want to keep that program to be available, so you will release here. Okay, so this is called drag and drop. Drop means releasing. Okay, to drag an icon and drop it in another place on the screen, follow this step. Keep the pointer on the icon and press the left mouse button. Okay, keep the pointer on the desired icon. Suppose if I want to drag my computer from the topmost left corner to bottom most right corner, so what I'll do is I will bring my mouse pointer to the my computer icon, where in the topmost left left corner I will keep my mouse pointer there. I will bring it down. Okay, I will just drag it down to the bottom right corner. Okay, bottom most right corner I will bring it, and once I reach the place I will release my hand. Once I release my hand, the icon would have come to the desired place. Okay, so this is the process. Okay, keeping the button pressed, drag the icon to a new place by moving the mouse. Release the button, this will drop the icon at the new place. Okay, so these are the these are the methods to be followed. Okay, so in this lesson, shortly a small recap. Okay, we saw what is mouse and what is the function of this mouse. What is this mouse pointer arrow mark called? Okay, after connecting the mouse, this is called as the pointer. Then we saw how many buttons. Three buttons are there: left, right, and scroll wheel button. Okay, so totally three buttons are here. Okay, totally three buttons are here. Then you can see a mouse action. There are four types of mouse actions: left click, right click, double click, and drag and drop. Left click means to select, you will do left button only once you press and release, that is left click. Means generally called as it is called as a click. Click means left click only. Okay, left side click only once you will press and release. You will use this action. Okay, you will do this action to select a particular icon. Okay, select a particular icon. Right click means you will use this particular option to select the to bring the drop down menu. Okay, to bring the drop down menu related to that particular program. Okay, suppose if you want to open that particular program, or if you want to copy it, or if you want to paste somewhere else, or if you want to rename it, so these are all the options available in the right click. Okay, right click button. So for this you will do this. Then the double click, this is left side. Okay, left side, click twice simultaneously you are clicking it, that is called as double click. Double click means you will use this option, you will use this process to open that particular program alone. Okay, to open that particular program alone you will use this. Suppose if I want to open my document, okay, what are all the files I have under the my document folder, I will keep my mouse pointer there on the my document folder. I will double click it. click, click and release. Okay, that is immediately twice I am clicking it and releasing it. Okay, immediately the folder will open. I can see what all the files are there, everything I can see. Okay, everything what all the files are there I can see. Okay, so this is how the double click helps. Double click helps to open the file or the program. Then the final one we saw was drag and drop. That is, you're pulling a particular program from one place to, and you're dropping it to the desired place where you want the icon to be there. Okay, so that is drag and drop. Okay, drag means you're moving the icon from one place to another. Okay, so this is called drag and drop. Usually this will help us to copy the content from one place to another. Okay, copy any program or icon from one place to another. This action will help us. Okay, so this is how the mouse helps us. Okay, now you can find usually the mouse contains wired mouse only we were using, but now latestly the wireless mouses and all have come. Okay, like a TV remote you can operate now. Okay, just a TV remote you can operate. These are called wireless mouse. Okay, wireless mouses and all have come now. I hope you would have enjoyed this lesson. Okay, very simple lesson, very few contents are there, contents only are here. Okay, we have come to the end of this session. I will send all the book back exercises to your class, means your class group, and you and the question answers also. The question answers you will copy in your classwork, and textbook exercises you will write, textbooks. Okay, hope you all would have understood. We will meet in the next class. Bye.